Hi guys, it's Em here and welcome back to my channel. And for today I'm going to show you some of the products that I bought from Ayala Mall. It's the H&M product. So for today we're going to do unboxing products. So I'm going to show you what I bought. So here I bought this it's like a crayon types of eyeshadow. It is from 499. Yeah, 499. So I bought it only for 50 pesos. It's a mega sale, so it's very cheaper. And the other one would be the Curated eyeshadow. Yeah, the Curated Quad eyeshadow. So I bought it for only 399. Then I bought it for only 100 pesos. So I'm gonna show you. The other two is the High Penny. This one is the High Penny and the other one is the Iron Sun. This one looks like the gray one. Yeah, Iron Sun. So it's a nice color. It's good for matching. Yeah, and it fits to all types of skin. The last one would be the iQuad Curated eyeshadow. It's a palette. It is divided to 4. It depends on what do you like to match. It depends. So it's very nice, very classy. It really fits in all types of skin. And now it's really cheaper. Mega sale. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching. Thank you for all your supports. And stay tuned for more updates, and thank you so much for always there. Have a nice day. I want to say thank you to all my supporters, and most especially for the people who dropped by to my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Hope everything will stay healthy, safe, and always positive. Thank you so much.